Hey, Evie, who's that?
Who's that?
Peter Sagan.
Do you like Peter Sagan?
Yeah. Peter Sagan.
You miss him?
Yeah.
Why do you miss him?
Yeah.
You want him to win?
Yeah.
Who do you want to win?
Peter Sagan.
Why do you want him to win?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
You just want him to win. Hey, Evie.
Evie, who's your favorite bike rider?
Peter Sagan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, Evie. Do you love Peter Sagan?
I do.
Who do you want to win the Tour de France?
But that doesn't work.
Who do you want to win?
I do.
Do you know? Who do you want to win?
Peter Sagan.
Okay. Thanks for sharing that with us.